Fire TV Stick 4K Max versus Fire TV Stick 4K versus Fire TV Stick 4K Select. Here's how Amazon's 4K streaming sticks compare. Amazon now has 3 streaming sticks that can stream in 4K. However, there's more to them than just this feature, and knowing how they differ can help you make the right choice. During its fall event, Amazon announced a new TV streaming stick called the Fire TV Stick 4K Select. It joins the Fire TV Stick 4K, 2nd Gen, and the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, 2nd Gen, as Amazon's streaming sticks capable of streaming in 4K. However, despite this common feature, alongside support for Alexa Plus smart home control and cloud gaming, coming soon to the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, there are significant differences between the 3 devices, and knowing them can help you to make the right decision on which of them to buy. Here are the key ways the Fire TV Stick 4K Max differs from the Fire TV Stick 4K and the Fire TV Stick 4K Select: processor, RAM, and storage. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max is the most powerful of the 3, as it is powered by a quad-core processor with its CPU clocked at 2.0 GHz and an 850 MHz GPU. It also has 2 EDI of RAM, and its 16 GB of storage is the largest available on any Fire TV stick. On the other hand, the Fire TV Stick 4K has a quad-core processor too, but with a lower 1.7 GHz CPU clock speed and a 650 MHz GPU. While it does have 2 GB of RAM, its storage is half of that of the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. This means users get significantly smaller available storage to install apps and games. The new Fire TV Stick 4K Select also has a 1.7 GHz quad-core processor, but there's no mention of the GPU. The processor is paired with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. The smaller RAM on the Fire TV Stick 4K Select means that the device has less temporary memory to hold active data and programs. This translates to an overall poorer performance compared to its siblings with more RAM. Supported video and audio formats. Although all 3 support streaming in 4K, the experience will differ depending on the one you purchase and the content you are watching. For example, the 3 Fire TV sticks support HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG. However, only the Fire TV Stick 4K and Fire TV Stick 4K Max can play Dolby Vision content. The audio experience should also be superior and immersive when using the Fire TV Stick 4K and Fire TV Stick 4K Max with a TV or soundbar that supports Dolby Atmos. This is because they both support Dolby Atmos audio, unlike the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, which supports Dolby encoded audio. Connectivity. The Fire TV 4K Max offers the best connectivity, featuring tri-band Wi-Fi support, including Wi-Fi 6E. With Wi-Fi 6E, users should get a smoother streaming experience, faster speeds, and lower latency when streaming games. The Fire TV Stick 4K and Fire TV Stick 4K Select have dual-band support. However, the Fire TV Stick 4K is better, as it features Wi-Fi 6, whereas the newer Fire TV Stick 4K Select has Wi-Fi 5. It goes without saying that having a router that supports Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E is necessary to get Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E speeds. Emote. The included remote is also a key difference between the 3 Fire TV sticks. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max comes with the Alexa Voice Remote Enhanced, which is longer and has more buttons than the Alexa Voice Remote that ships with the Fire TV Stick 4K and Fire TV Stick 4K Select. Among the extra buttons available on the enhanced remote are channel buttons for live TV and a recent apps button. In addition, the Alexa Voice Remote Enhanced has both Bluetooth and infrared, while the Alexa Voice Remote only has Bluetooth. However, both remotes are powered by 2A batteries. Unfortunately, neither remote has backlit buttons nor a remote finder feature, both of which are available on the Alexa Voice Remote Pro. Also, it should be noted that while the Alexa Voice Remote is compatible with all 3 Fire TV sticks, the Alexa Voice Remote Enhanced is not compatible with the Fire TV Stick 4K and Fire TV Stick 4K Select. Price. This is the last but not the least deciding factor for a lot of buyers. The Fire TV Stick 4K Select is yet to be available for purchase, although it can be pre-ordered for $39.99 ahead of its release on October 15th. On the other hand, the Fire TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen costs $49.99, but as of the time of writing, Amazon has slashed its price by 50%, so it is available to buy for $24.99. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max is the most expensive of them all with a $59.99 price tag. But like the Fire TV Stick 4K, it has also received a discount that brings it down to $39.99. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment, love to hear what you think.